During pregnancy, people around us always wants us to have something extra apart from the meal. And there come the role of protein powders, different kind of women's drink and all that. Is it really necessary to be taken?
See, there are certain situations where a person doesn't have enough help, probably to get the food cooked, or someone has severe nausea, and throughout the entire period, they hardly eat, or if there is an underweight mother. When all of these things happen, perhaps one could consider. But then these protein powders also come in when you have tried everything possible with the diet, and then you really need some help. And these shouldn't have any herbs which can affect pregnancy in any way. Artificial sweetness also should be avoided.
Okay.
And you really have to get the purest form of the protein supplement.
Okay.
So the thing is, because the market is unregulated and you don't know what you're buying, there could be any kind of adulteration. So the best will be to get pharma grade powders,
Okay.
which usually gynecologists and dietitians would prescribe.
All right. And whey or plant, which one to choose?
Whey can be taken because it's of high biological value, but the thing is, if one has lactose intolerance or else a lot of digestive issues, bloating and flatulence, the best will be to consider a plant protein
Plant
supplement.
protein.